All right, so when we looked at this last class, we had made two different classes, one for Mario and one for Luigi. But I realized I was repeating a lot of the same things. When these guys move, I want them to respond to the same obstacles, to the same boundaries, and to the same finish line. So what I decided would be easier and to streamline this would be as if I just had one class called Mario. He is in the name of the game after all, and then make two objects, a Mario object and a Luigi object. So to do this, because they're controlled with different keys, I had to make two different move methods. I have void move M, which uses the A, D, W, and S keys to control a character. And then I made another method called move L, using J, L, I, and K. And using those, I can use then the same class booleans up, down, left, and right to control the movement without having to repeat all this code a second time. Then this way, when I call those methods on Mario and Luigi, I have Mario gets my object Mario from class Mario, lowercase m Mario is the object, is Mario.moveM. So he's the one being moved by A, S, D, W. And Luigi gets move L, which is J, K, L, and I to move. You may notice above, the display methods now take a passed parameter. You can pass parameters right into methods, like when we looked at intersect methods, just the same way you can pass them into the constructor. So I'm passing, this is red for Mario and green for Luigi. And now in the display method, it's the same method for both of them. It's just a fill and an ellipse. But they take in a color variable. So fill takes that color variable C. So then we get one of them will be red and one of them will be green. And then finally, I don't want them to start at the same place. I have them here starting next to one another. So because I don't want them to start at the same place, that y value, the class value, is going to be assigned to a temporary variable that I pass in the constructor. So I use float temp start to pass in that variable in the constructor, and then set y, the class variable, equal to the temporary variable. So when I make the new objects, Mario starts with a y value of 20, and Luigi starts with a y value of 40.